Alright everybody, first vlog ever. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, talking to friends of mine, you know, doing a lot of fishing, doing a lot of hunting, animal adoption, and helping to promote animals' rights and things like that. But anyway, yeah, so super excited. This is the first vlog. I've been wanting to do this for a very, very, very long time, but just finally got the equipment to do it. Day one, we're going to go out to Lake Junaluska and try and get some largemouth bass. So, let's see what we can do. I don't know how to... They always slap the camera. Bobby! Where you at?
Hey, Bobby! Hey! Hey!
I'm about to go fishing. I love you.
I'm going to take the trash to the dumpster.
So Linda just told me that she has somebody online who's trying to pay her money to burp, and that is fucking nuts. What did he say?
He said, "Hello, I know it sounds weird that I, stranger, send this, but if you would like, I want to pay you for burping if you are down to give me your PayPal or Cash App. I really like your videos on TikTok. I'm a super fan, by the way. I'm from France. I'm very interested and serious, and I know it's crazy."
He's from France. So are you gonna do it?
No.
How much money?
I don't know. Should I ask?
That's you should fucking ask for sure.
What do I say?
Say,
"Hello, I'm so happy that you love my videos."
hey, no, yeah, say that, and then be like, how much are we talking? How much? I drive a high price. How much? And just see how much he'll offer you.
It's probably fake. He's probably trying to steal money from me.
Even better. I want to see what he'll say. Linda's about to do drugs. Let's watch her do drugs, everyone.
I just choked on it though. What if I choke on it again? I got it.
You're a stupid bitch if you choke.
In case you're wondering, Linda wants to date Stinky Poop 666.
Stop!
I'm not. What if I managed to reach out to this person and get her to go on a date with you? If I reached out to this person and got her to go on a date with you,
I would go.
I see you. Yeah, I want to see something.
I don't know how to do it.
exactly. There you go. Perfect.
Save that. I'm not ready. Okay, you ready? You ready? You ready?
See, there you
I
go.
give up. I freaking give up.
So you just put it on your hand, go like that, and
And try to
I can
catch
do
it
that.
in your mouth, not in your
you
face.
film me.
Oh, you got it! Stop my door!
I couldn't
My
even.
door is so.
I barely saw it. Oh, that's frightening.
La 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 la. Oh fuck! I can show you the world.
What the fuck?
In Chile, we have like 1,000 ways to say dick.
Tula, marimbia, pirula,
Pichula,
pichula,
corneta,
corneta,
¿no?
manguaco, El Julio, Julio Martínez con papera.
Isn't Julio, you saying Julio? And
Julio
Julio?
Martínez con papera.
Isn't that a name?
Yeah, it's actually the name of a journalist who was bald, and his head was shaped like a dick.
Oh my god.
He actually died yesterday from coronavirus.
Nuh-uh.
I'm just kidding.
What?
Fucking recording things.
Sorry, does it make you uncomfortable? I can stop.
Yeah,
Okay.
because I'm gonna look like a fucking salesman for everybody.
Well, you do a great job.
That's sweet, dude.
Got this for 20,000,
Yeah.
and that's the deal. But I don't know if I was on speakerphone when
When you said that I need to grow a pair of balls.
yeah, was I?
No, I'm just kidding. You didn't say that. Just sounds like something you would say.
Yeah. I mean, it does have a couple of weird things about it, like 2 different colored tail lights. You know?
That one's like pink.
Yeah, it's pretty strange.
That's amazing. Is it kind of like how gay guys have their earring on the left side?
No, gay guys have it on the right.
Sorry, didn't know that.
But check it out. The whole underneath is coated.
Hmm.
Did you check it out?
Oh, look, it's coated.
To prevent rust and stuff. Get, you know, leather seats and all that, so that was kind of cool. It didn't come with floor mats, so I just threw some universal cheap ones in, but really what I was looking forward to is being able to fit 2 Yeti cups up here. And
That's the
having-
whole reason you buy a truck.
Yeah, pretty much, because in my Infinity, you could maybe cram a water bottle in next to a big cup. It was ridiculous, child's play, so ended up going with this bucket right here for the center console. It was way better as well.
Yeah.
Hold up, bro. Damn. Hey, bro, don't get that shit on my sheets, bro. Mobbing in the Bentley smoking.
This is what I caught that bass on. Lake
That was a
Navy
good bass,
Davis.
man.
Yeah, and
You're just out here slaying them.
slaying them, boy.
Yeah.
Hey, can you grab the beers?
Beer o'clock. Yeah, man. I mean, the thing about fishing is it's just like there's no real bullshit to it, you know?
Yeah, my thing, I'm gonna get painted on the side of the boat. It's gonna say no bitching while fishing.
Nice.
Damn, what are we? And that's why she dancing with me. And that's why she dancing with me. And that's why she dancing with me.
Yeah.
I just might get carried away. I bought that bitch by mistake. I just got carried away.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nobody
No fish, but
nobody kills it first try. And if they do,
they're me.
right. This is terrible, terrible footage, bro. Yeah, we just gotta get some beers in us, and that's when you're gonna get the best footage. Yes. You need to film yourself a little bit, bro.
Hello, everyone. Goodbye, everyone. That's enough for me.
Here. Make sure the strap is straight.
This strap is as straight as you are gay.
Hey, you can't be saying offensive things for our viewers.
Why do you think it's offensive to be gay?
Cause everybody has something to say about something, you know what I mean?
No, I don't. Please explain.
America, freedom of speech. Caught a fish, bro.
Did you?
Yeah.
We did. This trip wasn't worth nothing. Balling.
That's a keeper.
Looks like a winner.
Yeah. Hey, we like to catch and release around here.
Yeah.
Here, let's get a close up.
Okay.
He wants to come right back. Just kidding.
Oh, looks good.
Yeah.
Real strong.
Yeah, real bright.
What do you have to say about Toyotas?
Well, I buy a Toyota when you can buy a Chevy.
America. So GMC Sierra, huh?
Yeah, it's a CMG Sierra. Come on in. Let's show you what's going on. I got the range on here to keep it in V8 all the time. We don't like that active fuel management. Can't do it. One thing I love is I can lift the back seat up. I can still rock with my tools. Impact wrench.
Oh. Hey now.
It was a little burnt, honestly. I don't know what's burning, but I love it. Zoom in on that right there. Did you go like that?
Hmm?
Perfect, bro.